students at large. Okay. Good afternoon. Are you not hearing me? Good afternoon. I've started my speech exactly midday. I'll try to be brief. Let me begin by welcoming the first years. And this being their first assembly, please, you're mostly welcome. At this moment, I want the student leaders to stand up and face that direction. These are the people I work with. I'm the Dean of Students. Face the other direction. Yeah. These are our leaders who are elected by you people. And they have a mandate to command, to advise, being led by a great president. They are very smart in doing their work.